Good morning, my little kids. Hello, everyone. I hope you all are happy and healthy and ready with your book, copies, and pencils. Today, we will learn writing words from 1-1-11 to 1-5-15. In the previous class, I have given you writing words as homework from 1 to 10. But it is very sad to say that none of the students have submitted their homework. খুব দুঃখের সাথে বলতে হচ্ছে তোমরা কেউই বাড়ির কাজ জমা করো নাই। So let us learn writing words. All of you start with me. First one is 1-1-11. So write the spelling of 11. E L E V E N 11. Then next one 1-12. T W E L V E 12. 1-3-13. T H I R small letter T E E N 13. Next come to 1-4-14. F O U R T E E N 14. And the last one is 1-5-15. F I F T E E N 15. Let us read once again. 11 E L E V E N 11. T W E L V E 12. T H I R T E E N 13. F O U R T E E N 14. F I F T E E N 15. So we have finished writing words from 11 to 15. Now come to multiplication table for 2. We have learned this table earlier. Today we will learn again multiplication table for 2. So all of you write with me. 2 into 1 equal to 2. We will read this as 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. As you all know, this is the table of 2. So the result will increase 2 step, means 2, 4 like this. 2 2 করে এভাবে বৃদ্ধি পাবে। 2 3s are 6. 2 4 4s are 8. 2 5s are equal to 1 0 10. Then come to this side. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. And the last one up to 10, 2 10s are 2 0 20. We will read the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20. Practice at home. You will read the table at home and write the table. Then our next topic is subtraction with picture. Dear students, I will do number A for you. See how many triangles are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have written 7. Subtraction means বিয়োগ. আমরা এখান থেকে 7টি ত্রিভুজ থেকে 2টি বিয়োগ করে দিব, বাদ দিয়ে দেব. So from 7 triangles let us subtract 2 triangles. 2টি বিয়োগ করব. 1 2. আমরা 2টি ত্রিভুজ বাদ দিয়ে দিলাম, আর কয়টি থাকে দেখো. 1 2 3 4 5. So the result is 5. Write the answer in the box. You will do number B, C, D, E. Number B, number C, number D, number E. This will be your homework. Then come to arrangement of numbers, smaller to greater. We have practiced arrangement of numbers in the previous classes. বিগত ক্লাসে আমরা ছোট থেকে বড় সংখ্যা সাজানো শিখেছি. Today I will give you this as your homework. আজকে আমি তোমাদেরকে হোমওয়ার্ক দিচ্ছি, smaller to greater, and write the numbers 1 to 50. We have already finished and practiced these numbers, so this part is also your homework. এটাও তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ. Dear students, try to submit your homework in the comment box. তোমরা কমেন্ট বক্সে তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ জমা দিতে পারো, আমি তোমাদের বাড়ির কাজ দেখব. So all of you submit your homework and practice at home. That's all for today, my little kids. Stay happy and healthy. Okay, thank you all and goodbye.